Today's readings place before us a striking contrast between power and mercy, revenge and restraint, human instinct and divine wisdom. David had Saul in his grasp, yet he chose to entrust justice to God rather than seize the throne through bloodshed. In the Gospel, Jesus called the apostles first to be with him. Authority without intimacy becomes domination. Mission without communion becomes noise. May we learn that the greatest victories are won not by destroying enemies but by overcoming evil with mercy. Lord, teach us restraint when anger rises, mercy when revenge feels justified, and trust when justice seems delayed. Shape our hearts after yours, that we may be instruments of reconciliation in a wounded world.